There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2021 Dodge Charger SXT in granite. With bifunction HID projector headlamps, blind spot and crosspath detection, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, dual bright exhaust tips, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 14,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, sport mode, power sunroof, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P4081.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.